Have you ever wondered how to access your TransUnion credit report directly from your Scotiabank app? It's a convenient way to keep track of your financial health without leaving the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process. Imagine a scenario where you're applying for a loan or a credit card. The lender asks for your credit report. You immediately pull out your phone and access it right there. How empowering would that be? Understanding your credit report is essential. It's a snapshot of your financial history, including your payment history, credit utilization, and inquiries. Knowing what's on your report can help you make informed financial decisions. Scotiabank, being a leading financial institution, offers its customers the convenience of accessing their TransUnion credit reports directly through their mobile app. Step 1. Open the Scotiabank app. The first step is to open the Scotiabank app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Locate the credit report feature. Once you're logged in, look for the credit report or a similar option. It might be under a Services or Financial Tools section. Step 3. Access your TransUnion credit report. Tap on the credit report option. You might be prompted to agree to terms and conditions. Read through them carefully and accept them. Your TransUnion credit report should then be displayed on your screen. Understanding your credit report. Let's break down the key components of a credit report. Personal information. This section includes your name, address, and other identifying details, asterisk. Credit history. This shows your past and current credit accounts, such as loans and credit cards, asterisk. Payment history. This indicates how well you've made payments on your credit accounts, asterisk. Credit inquiries. This lists companies that have checked your credit report recently, asterisk. Credit utilization. This shows how much of your available credit you're using, asterisk. Tips for reviewing your credit report. Check for errors. Carefully review your credit report for any errors. If you find any inaccuracies, dispute them with the credit bureau, asterisk. Monitor changes. Regularly check your credit report to monitor changes in your financial profile, asterisk. Improve your credit score. If your credit score is low, take steps to improve it, such as paying bills on time and reducing your debt, asterisk. Additional features. Some Scotiabank apps might offer additional features related to credit reports, such as credit score. Access your credit score directly from the app, asterisk. Credit monitoring. Set up alerts to be notified of any changes to your credit report, asterisk. Credit education. Learn more about credit and how to manage your finances effectively, asterisk. Downloading your TransUnion credit report from the Scotiabank app is a simple and convenient way to stay informed about your financial health. By understanding your credit report, you can make better financial decisions and take steps to improve your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.